How to create a Snapchat account. So to create a Snapchat account, all you have to do is first of all install the Snapchat on your mobile, and after installing, open up your Snapchat and you will find two options: login or sign up. So to create an account, what you have to do is tap on sign up, and then you can choose allow or deny. So now you will have 5 steps to create your account. The first step is you should enter your first name, your last name, and after that you can tap on continue. And then second step is it is asking your birthday. Enter your birth date, tap on continue, and then it is asking to see that if this username is convenient to you. But if it is not appropriate, then you can tap on change my username and you can change your username from here. So I'm okay with this username, so I'll tap on continue. And then from here, it is the fourth step. You should enter a password. And after entering your password, tap on continue. And now it is the last step. It is asking for your email address, or you can also use your mobile number instead of your email address. And after entering your email or your phone number, you can simply tap on continue, and then you will be ready to create your Snapchat account. So that's it guys, that's how you create a Snapchat account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.